obviously on it then.
Yep. Yeah, but that's because they know their time could be already. That route needs is one hot ember at a time. One black and toasted on. Definitely put a new mate with reason for his lyrics. Why? I don't know. Depends how. No, I'd probably just do a montage of some of them, because that'd definitely be more interesting in a montage. What's that classical song that always goes over almost all things like that with montage?
Valkyrie.
Not Flight of Valkyries.
It is.
Oh, it might be. Yeah, good point.
Charge Valkyries.
That was it. Yes.
My millions are based on Valkyrie.
Valkyrie. It's Valkyrie, not Valkyries. It's Valkyries. Your accent makes you hold letters. I don't think so.
Marcus, when I speak, my voice goes up at the end, as you notice, down here goes down.
Valkyrie. No, because you said Valkyrie. Good point. Valka. But it shouldn't need to go down in any case. It should say the same sort of thing.
That's how.
Instead of the A.
That's how northern accents are.
Good point.
Cinema.
It's not fired on boats though, is it? It's fired on the pier.
Right up on the pier.
So they can't really move the pier. But if they do, they're crossings. There ain't no fun without no danger. Even more so considering the origin of the fireworks as a weapon. So, not for recreation.
It's a fire out of drain pipe.
Homemade rocket. A homemade rocket launcher just needs some fireworks and a pipe. So. It's a shame when people are too much of a pussy just to face a little bit of a downpour. Says something about the weather as well, doesn't it? Already recording.
It's always
At least you got something to protect your legs.
it's probably melted already.
Yeah, possibly. You never know. This will definitely be the most interesting YouTube video of this month.
It's definitely the most impressive fire break.
So far, yeah.
There's a huge bit just right in the middle of the grass.
Yeah, some of the spots do go in your eye, which is one coming in the mouth and my eye.
Ooh, the fire was
But I think that's the reason it's pretty colder as well, though, so...
I'm actually getting any of that. That's pretty.
It might be a bit shaky, but that could be fixed too, so... Obviously, so...
Use that bit, they're in order, you can call it Michael, get some money off the council, and get new coats.
Nah.
No, because we're not sure that there's like little bloody fence and up the grass every side.
They're complaining about it, not being able to see anything. My
Fuck
cat...
me!
What?
They're huge.
How are you scared? Coward.
Hey Marcus, there's old people that badass old people.
Yeah.
Never find it. After they come, loads of bits are going to come down over.
Just keep your eyes covered. Your mouth covered, sort of. That's not what's happening. You're fine.
The sky's falling.
Hey, Mum,
Yay!
what do you think I'm using my jumper like a hat?
Yay! Oh my god, that's right overhead. That is fairly scary. Can't see where anything is.
Can't see the incoming. Fire on board, yeah, you can. So we need to breathe enough for this one. In a confined
If he does want to help you, he'll take you, wouldn't he?
We will help.
Mom, something pussy.
We will.
Flew. This is a good way to clear out the clouds. A fair amount, yeah, but quite a lot left.
Last one was here at 7:30, 8 o'clock.
By a few, you mean quite a lot, yeah, and this one's nearly finished as well now, so...
Because every I'm not picking it up.
I told you playing with Scotland would help you.
I didn't even see that.
That's what you think about video cameras, Mum. They can, we can.
I believe you didn't get hit there.
So I'm holding the camera, and actually I did get hit a couple of times. It literally just like, oh,
Yeah, that's right.
that tickled.
So come on, get sun between every creatures anyway. They are. It's just sun time.
It's like he's away from the parents, apparently. Precisely. Away from the parents. It's cardboard, so what do you expect?
Watch it on your video, Martin.